Next, we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of oil, or in my case, melted butter. Oh yeah. Don't make it too hot now. We don't want to scramble the eggs. Okay. 1 orange with the peel. Yup. Now I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of sugar. And I bet a good portion of it is gonna stick to the butter. Yep, I'll get that. And I realized after all the ingredients were in the blender and I was ready to blend it, I said to myself, did I ever wash that rubber gasket thing that goes in the blender? No, I did not. I'm a rebel. I said, the heck with it. I'm gonna blend it anyway. And I did, and it's okay. Thank goodness. So I had to break away to actually read the ingredients that I needed. I don't know this one by heart yet, but it's 2 cups of flour, and I don't have self-rising. I never have that. I actually have never had that, but this is 2 cups of flour, and it is 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 a teaspoon of salt. And then I like to whisk it all together, not only to combine it, but to get some air incorporated in there. They say it makes for lighter, fluffier stuff. So that's all. Well, apparently I skipped a couple of other parts. But if you can't tell, it is now in my 300 and approximately 40-degree oven for 40 minutes. But I decided to go like half chocolate chip and half plain, and I poured some butter that was left over from my melted butter that went in the cake batter to grease the pan. Now this recipe said to grease in flour, but I don't know, that's just too fancy for my blood. So hopefully it'll come out real good. Let's see. It smells so good in here. If you look real close, on the left side are chocolate chips, and on the right side are not. Oh, I can't wait till it's cool so I can taste both sides. And I don't think it matters that I did not flour my pan. I've never been a person who floured pans. See, it ain't stuck. It ain't stuck. It smells so good. I can't believe the whole entire orange is in there. That is so cool. I can't wait to taste it. I might ice it, and I might not. I forgot to take a picture before I quote-unquote tasted it. This is me tasting it. Wah, 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 wah. It was so good. It was so good. I just ate it. I just could not stop eating it. And you can see half of it has like a couple of little chocolate chippers in there. You don't even need them. I mean, it's okay. I might like the plain side better. But glaze, oh yeah, yes, glaze. Yes, glaze.